Hi there, welcome back to IME TV channel, a technology channel to keep you lifelong learning. This week, I'm going to share about SOLIDWORKS top tips in sketching. Let's discover SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD systems with these 5 sketching tips to improve your productivity. First, when we sketch in 3D environment, we often want to perform the sketch 90 degrees or normal to the sketch plan. There's an option that you can turn it on to auto-rotate view normal to sketch plan on sketch creation or sketch edit, which can improve your experience during the design process. The second highlight option is to speed up the dimensioning process. Activate the Enable on-screen numeric input on entity creations and create dimension only when value is entered. These functions can shorten the time to complete your sketches. Third, starting the line from an arc or a circle may not add the tangent relationships automatically. However, you can hover over the arc to wake up the center points. Start the line now on the arc and drag the line out in the tangent directions. You can even spin it around the curve and it will remain tangent. Next tips are related to offset and trim. You can convert the original sketch entities to a construction line by using base geometry, offset geometry, or both options. In addition, the trim tool also has 2 options as well that relate to how construction geometry in sketches interact when trimming. It is often used when you want to keep construction geometry so that your sketch remains easier to constrain. These construction lines can get in the way, especially using the power trim options. Instant 3D allows the dragging handles to resize dimensions and reshape geometry. If Instant 3D is turned off, you are required to double-click. In other words, it is necessary to double-click a feature to see its dimension, and it is also necessary to double-click a dimension to edit it. Similarly, Instant 2D allows you to modify the dimension in your sketch easily, not only by using the dimension handles, but also through single-clicking the dimensions. That's all for today. I hope this video inspires you and give you new ideas to be more productive. Don't forget to follow us, like, comment, and share this video.